Trading day, trading day. Yeah, it's a new trading day. The date is June. Forgot to check my phone. June 24th, 2026. We're gonna go over one trade I made today. Today I made $600 across my two accounts, so $1,200 on the day. Today was actually the fastest or the earliest I've ever taken a trade. I think I took a trade at what 37. So market obviously opens at 9:30, and I took one at 9:37. 7 minutes into the market, I made $1,200. I'm extremely blessed for this experience and this opportunity, and it's all glory to God. But yeah, coming into the market, what was I looking at? I saw obviously above we had some draws on liquidity that I thought may get hit. That's what I was thinking. I was like, these may get hit, these may not, whatever, whatever. I'm gonna mark them out anyways. I had a 4 hour above, another 4 hour above. I had a 1 hour. I think this is the 1 hour below, or is this 4 hour below? This is a 4 hour and a 1 hour. Okay, so it's a 4 hour. And then I also had a 15 minute above that would get hit, and all I wanted to see is price kind of reject off that if it were to get hit, and that's really what happened. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna be like a quick recap. This is super simple. This is my second 30-second inversion that I've taken, and it was kind of super simple. I'm not gonna lie, and it wasn't even that good if I'm being completely honest. But yeah, like I said, this is the 15 minute, as you can see here. Price opened up, went down, made a 30-second inversion, or 1 minute inversion, probably a 30-second. Yeah, 30-second inversion. You really could have taken this up to the 15 minute. Could have taken something like this here. Something like this, maybe like that, up to that 15. Yeah, this wouldn't be bad. You could have taken this. I wouldn't be surprised if someone took this. These 30-second inversions are kind of hitting. Voice crack are kind of hitting. But yeah, price came up, tapped this 15. I saw rejection. I hopped on the 5 minute. Bang. Hopped on the 5 minute. Saw that it was clearly rejecting. Lower time frame, clearly rejecting. All that. 2 minute. Ooh, 2 minute. Um, but yeah, what did I do? I hopped on the 30 second because I realized I missed this one. Or I didn't miss, but I just wasn't gonna take this. It was like right off the bat. Um, saw it was rejecting. Saw it made here. Let me do this. There we go. Saw it made a. Oh my gosh, wait, is this even an inverse? Yeah, it's like the smallest inverse. So I made a super small inverse here. Um, I'm actually surprised I took this. This is like so. This is like. I'm not gonna lie. I think like I'm realizing this just now. I think this is a mistake. Like I I honestly think I thought this wick was a lot smaller. I thought the fair value gap was probably like this big. Because this is not even something I would ever take, if I'm being honest. Wow, that's crazy I took this. Wow. Anyways, yeah. I mean, the inverse, it was a super small fair value gap though. Um, wow. Okay, that inverse here. Was it a 1 minute? No, I really took that. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. The craziest, smallest inverse ever. Came down. And once it broke structure here, I wanted it to come back up. That's what I do. That's how I trade. I don't trade on candle closes. I trade on retracements and continuations. Because I know that it's always gonna come back up and go put me more into drawdown. Like that's just how trades work. Um, so yeah, this candle closed all the way down here. It broke this structure here. So I wanted price to come back to tap this, and it tapped it, continued going up, and went all the way down to my take profit. My take profit was initially here, but I just decided to take or to shorten it a little bit, take my profit here, and yeah, $600 across two accounts, 1,200 on the day, 1,200 on the day. I'm starting to rush a little bit. I need to chill. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Could like some things I could have done better is obviously noticed that this wasn't even a real strong inversion. Like if I noticed this, I probably wouldn't have traded um, yet. I probably would still be looking at the market. Um, but I mean, yeah, I took it, and I guess I really got lucky. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Any advice in the comment section? Go ahead and leave that down below. And yeah, all right, that's pretty much it. All right, peace.